Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Tucson Active X. Stock reference number 4483. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light, right-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left-hand daytime running light. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.